Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, May the 4th, 2011. Well, the continuation of the trend to the downside today, and we've had a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. 2 days previous we noted that we had a spinning top type candle that had potential for a change of trend in the first time frame. Yesterday's trading we had confirmation of that change of trend with a lower high and a lower low. Today's candle has continued the trend to the downside, and the size of the red body has become larger, which is the way that you want to see a trend develop to the downside if you're a bear. The large red body means that the sellers have made net bearish progress, and they've made a larger amount than the previous day, which is quite bearish. Having said that, however, we do see the shadow on the bottom of the candle, and the market did find support at the area at 1344, which is a previous area of support or resistance. So the sellers actually lost some commitment as they were trading down around that area, and the sellers have failed to close the market down near the lows. They've closed just below the midpoint level, which means that they've closed the market with control, but very, very weak control. They've almost lost control of this market, so that could be significant for this market over the next day or so. Obviously, the 1344 region becomes very, very important. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, we are trading up above the cloud, and the market has an overall positive bias. The market is trading above the Kijun-sen, which means we're bullish in the medium-term time frame, but now just trading below the Tenkan-sen, which means we're bearish in the fast-term time frame. If we look at the Kijun-sen, it's obscured by the line of support at 1332, but that's pointing sideways. And when that points sideways, price action is quite often attracted back towards there. So that's what's been happening over the previous couple of days in the market. Now, there is potential for very strong support at the 1340 level, and we can see here where the market tested that area previously on at least half a dozen occasions, and we had a lot of indecisive trading there with the buyers losing commitment, and the market sold off substantially from that region. That could turn into support, and we can see here that we've probably got the influence of that area in today's trading where the sellers lost commitment around that area. So there is potential for a change of trend to the upside. Having said that, however, the short-term dynamics aren't necessarily favouring that at the moment. We should be watching the high of the current candle for a potential higher high and a higher low. If we do change trend to the upside, obviously the area at 1363.98 offers strong resistance, and certainly the swing high here now around 1370 will offer itself as strong resistance. If the market can close up past there in a bullish way, then there isn't any decent resistance until we trade up to the round number 1400. So if the market can build some good upside momentum, then there is a potential for strong price appreciation. To the downside, we do need to watch this area at 1344. The market has failed to close down below there. We've tested down below. Watch the low of that candle roughly around 1340 for any potential test down to around the support at around 1332.